kind of an overarching theme of Beth's performance can be summed up with aptitude and attitude.
Very positive. Just she can do anything that's asked of her without challenges.
And that willingness to learn and always having a great attitude. You know, you're never going to go up to that school and find Beth in a bad mood. It just doesn't happen.
Beth joined me, I believe, about 7.5 years ago. Her brief duty as a sub, I quickly realized that she was full-time material, which was ultimately her goal.
There's like that Beth fingerprint on everything that you see there when everything is neat and clean and organized and helpful.
She just about knows every kid's name in that lunchroom.
You know, she's constantly looking for things to do, ways to improve the school, the experience that the kids have there. And it's stuff as simple as, you know, she saw a storage room that was just a kind of a cluttered mess, as storage rooms tend to get. Just completely took it upon herself to let's clean the storage room out, find out what's good, what's junk, let's organize this thing. And then she takes that through the whole school. She's making a difference every single day.
Wow, I feel like I'm just doing my job, but it's more than that. It's more than a job. I love where I work, and we have such a great team of people here that it's amazing. It's wonderful to come to work every day. I can definitely see doing this until I retire. I'd like to thank Larry and Randy for giving me the chance and believing in me, and for my family to always have my back and push me to reach my goals. They're always there, right behind me.